I wanted new window treatments, but didn't want to pay designer prices, so I thought I'll make them myself. Begin by measuring the width of your window and cut a 12-inch piece of plywood to that length. You'll also need two side pieces, so cut two 4-inch by 12-inch pieces. Attach those side pieces to the plywood board using small L brackets. To pad your valance, lay batting on your work surface. Double the batting so you have a nice thickness. Cut the batting so there is 3 inches on each side and 6 inches on each end. Now lay your fabric right side down on your work surface, then lay your batting on top of the fabric. Your fabric should be 2 inches wider than your batting. Lay your wooden piece on top of the batting and the fabric, and begin to fold and staple the fabric and batting to the back of the wood on one side. On the opposite side, tug the fabric a little bit so it's taut and staple it in place. Work in small sections until you've covered the entire wooden piece. For each end, you want to fold the material and batting over and staple it in place. You may have to cut away some fabric if it's too bulky. You don't want it too thick. To finish it off, staple a piece of felt along the back. This will hide all the raw edges of your fabric. Now screw long L brackets to the inside of the end pieces. This is why you didn't want too much bulk. If it's too bulky, the brackets won't be able to be attached. You'll use these brackets to attach the valance to your wall. And there you have an upholstered valance in under 15 minutes. I hope this inspires you to create your own window treatments. For a full list of materials and step-by-step instructions, go to www.hometalk.com.